Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Now today we're going to make a super quick, simple and easy breakfast, a cheesy omelette quesadilla. Guys, this is so quick and easy, you'll absolutely love it. Let's get started. So here I have 2 eggs, I have some red green bell peppers and some onion, and I have some cheddar cheese and some mozzarella, salt and pepper, and of course my tortilla. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to my eggs and give this a good whisk. Now to my cast iron, I'm just going to go ahead and add some butter, and I'm going to make sure that the butter is nice and melted. Now I'm going to go in with my veggies, my bell peppers and my onion. Of course, you could feel free to use whatever you like. And to that, I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and I'm going to saute these until they're nice and tender. Now I'm just going to spread these out a bit so every part of the tortilla gets a little bit of these veggies. Now I'm going to go in with my eggs. At this point, you feel free to add any other protein of choice, sausage, bacon, whatever, or you could just leave it as is. Now I'm going to apply my tortilla to the top. I'm going to allow this to firm up for a bit. Then I'm going to flip it over, add my cheese, and allow my tortilla to get some nice crunch on the outside. Now guys, this is a really quick, simple, easy breakfast for you to throw together in under 10 minutes, guys. Trust me. Now I'm going to give this a flip. Then I'm going to go ahead, add my cheese. I'm going to flip it over on the other side. Add a little bit more butter and allow my tortilla on the outside to firm up a bit. Now that one side is done, I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over onto the other side. And that's it, guys. Quick, simple, easy breakfast. Let me know down in the comment section if you would try this for your breakfast, and let me also know what you have for breakfast in the morning. And that's basically it, guys. Serve up and enjoy. You could add your favorite sides or fruits to this, some yogurt and some fruits, whatever you like having. I did serve this up with some blueberry yogurt and some fresh blueberries. That's it, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye for now.